Okay, so here is our garden update after 2 months. So this is our update. The spinach has grown big, corianders have grown huge. We've already harvested spinach. This is going to be the next harvest. This is a new addition to our home garden. Ornamental chilies like capsicum, sweet and nice. Rosemary's there. This is cucumber which is coming, and we also have ridge gourd. It's coming, nice big one here. But a few more also here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rose has died. We did also get French beans. This is palak again. Lal bhaji. I've transplanted a few of the palak here along with the beans. And this is Thai basil. Lettuce is coming very well. We've already harvested. This is going to be the second harvest. I tried this in a 1 liter bottle. 2 of them, pretty good. It's a drumstick. It was not growing down here, so I put it up here, hung it, and put its stem outside. It's growing pretty well. And I put spinach around it, companion plant. Here another Thai basil and ornamental chilies. Looks very nice. And all of these are lettuce. They are growing very well. Look at them. This has already been harvested. 2 times harvested. And we have our bird nest on top of punyas. This is the 4th nesting season. Babies are screaming. And this is a Kagzi lime plant. It's given a good harvest already, 3 times, around 15 to 20 limes. I've grown Thai basil with them. Coriander, again Thai basil is growing very well. And with this other one, lettuce, spinach, and a few garlics here and there. Limes are coming out well. Our chili plant died, but coriander, curry patta is doing well. This is the new addition of yummy, tasty sweet chilies which we got from the nursery, Lal Bagh, and also a strawberry plant. Let's see how the strawberry goes. This is the spring onions. Trying that out. So lettuce is growing very well in 1 liter cartons with red soil vermicompost, no cow dung manure. And this is the new addition of all our lime plants, 4 or 5 of them. Good small juicy limes. Thank you.